Here's how to download and play Mobile Legends on your PC or laptop using BlueStacks. Mobile Legends is a mobile game, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. BlueStacks is the recommended choice for Mobile Legends because it has optimized performance profiles specifically for MOBA games. Open your browser, go to BlueStacks.com and click Download. Run the installer, agree to the terms, and click Install. Wait for BlueStacks to complete setup and launch. Once inside, open the Google Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and search for Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Click Install and wait for the download to finish. Once done, launch the game from your home screen and log in with your Moonton account to restore your existing rank and progress. BlueStacks includes a smart key mapping feature that automatically assigns WASD movement and mouse aiming controls to Mobile Legends when you first launch it, making the experience significantly more comfortable than touchscreen. You can customize these in the key mapping editor if the defaults do not feel right. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.